Hey there team, it's your coach Nadia and I'm bringing you a full body warm up today. We're going to start off nice and simple with a sprint and back pedal. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Run forward, touch the ground, and back pedal. That's okay if you don't touch the ground completely. You can always squat and keep your hands up instead. This warm up is built to get your heart rate up, to warm up your muscles. Nice, you got this. We're about halfway there. Whew, built in that heat. I don't know about you, but I'm working out first thing in the morning. Feels good, feels good. Want to get that warm up in, or that workout in, before everything gets crazy throughout the day, right? Another 10 seconds. And then we switch to cross body punches. Last 3, 2, 1. Change hands up. I want you to punch across the room. We're working towards the opposite corner of the room. But if rotating like this doesn't feel good for your body, go for a straightforward punch instead. You can always slow it down to focus on form. You can pick up that pace. You want to get a little extra burn in there. Firm your midsection like you're creating a corset in your torso. You got this. Whew, we're already halfway there. If you hear me huffing and puffing, just because it's asthma season. But we keep going, right? As long as it's safe. Another 10 seconds. Coming down to the ground for knee circles. Last 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Come to hands and knees. I'm going to go ahead and draw one knee in towards your chest. Make a big circle to the outside. I'm going to make a few circles in one direction and then a few circles in the other. We're going for another 15 seconds on this knee. And then I'll have you switch to the other leg. For anybody who wants a little extra burn, then stay on the same leg. And for the next round, you'll go into the other side. Last 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. Remember, a few circles in one direction, a few circles in the other. I'm going to challenge you here. If your hips are poking out to one side a lot, then try to return them back to the center. 10 seconds, and then we're going into a front to side plank. Last 3, 2, 1, change. Come down to your forearms, send your legs out, knees up. I want you to rotate to one side, reach your arm up, side plank. Bring it back down to the center and then switch. Okay, if you need to, you can always bring your knees down to the ground for a modified rotation instead. Final option is to come to your hands, and some might feel like this is a little bit better, especially if you have tight shoulders. But it's a little bit more pressure on the wrist, so definitely choose the option that feels right for you. I'm going to go back to that first option. If you separate your feet a little bit, it's going to make your hips a little bit easier to rotate. It definitely doesn't make the exercise easier though. You got another 8 seconds and we're coming up to standing for some overhead reaches. In 3, 2, 1, change. Come on up. I want you to reach up overhead and step one foot to the side. I always tell my clients that this one reminds me of a little Jane Fonda style workout. You can always slow it down and step instead of hopping. The hop is going to give you more heat. Focus on that reach so you can stretch out your shoulders and warm them up. Oh yeah. We've got a little break coming up in about 25 seconds. Come on. Let's finish off this warm up, or at least this half of the warm up. You still with me? Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. All right, shake it off. Great job. As of now, you have about 50 more seconds. That's 50 more seconds to break. I want you to grab a sip of water, catch your breath, and then replay this video so you can do it again along with me. All right, round 2 of your warm-up starts in about 35 seconds. Good luck and have a great day.